Welcome to IRHS NLO Infrared Heating System. We are the innovators in infrared heating solutions. IRHS NLO manufactures next-generation IR heaters with dual infrared and convection technology, ideal for cold regions worldwide. This modern heating system provides safe, comfortable, and economical heating of any premises, such as industries, offices, hospitals, greenhouses, and more. This heating system, like the sun, warms the earth, evenly heats the walls, objects, and furniture in the room, creating a feeling of soft warmth. This allows saving up to 70% of energy compared to other electrical heating systems. Calculations and many years of experience show that the cost of this heating system is 5 to 7 times cheaper than a traditional heating system. The IR heating system integrates with smart home technology, allowing remote control of the temperature in each room. IR heaters are made from hypoallergenic materials, operate silently, and can run on electric, solar, and battery power. This eliminates indoor molds, microbes, and fungus and do not dry out the air. This technology improves air quality and human health and is approved for use in preschools, institutions, hotels, and more. IR heaters are quickly installed and mounted on walls and connected in series as a centralized heating. They are also available in mirror type, and our experts can customize them with any image or photograph. This comes with 5 years guarantee and are cost-effective and eco-friendly heating solutions for diverse environment.